Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I've got a massive deal you don't want to miss. Black Friday hasn't officially started yet, but Host Papa has just opened its Black Friday pricing early. Which means you're getting the discount before the public does. Yes, early access. And the prices are honestly insane. Shared and WordPress hosting plans are starting at $1.45 per month. That is literally cheaper than a cup of coffee. If you've been thinking about starting a blog, launching a small business site, or creating an online portfolio, this is the perfect moment. And if you need more performance, VPS hosting is up to 70% off, starting at $4.45 per month. Even dedicated servers are discounted, starting from $39.99 per month, which almost never happens. There's also reseller hosting on sale too, which is great if you want to earn money building websites for clients. This is honestly one of the best hosting discounts of the entire year. But here's the key part, this early access link is not public. It's exclusive, and it will disappear once the official Black Friday sale begins. So if you want to lock in these prices before everyone else rushes in, click the link below the video description, check the plans, and grab the one that fits what you need. If you've been waiting for the right moment to start your website, this is that moment. Alright, that's it for this one, go see the deals, and I'll see you in the next video.